Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you know the Apple ID email and that a trusted device or phone number is available. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone or System Preferences on your Mac to access the Apple ID pane. You need two-factor authentication enabled because it lets Apple confirm it's you. If it isn't, use recovery contacts or prepare to answer security questions. Start the password change flow now so you don't lose access mid-process. You'll authenticate next. Sign in with your current password or approve the sign-in from a trusted device. Then enter a new, strong password. Apple recommends at least 8 characters mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol because complexity prevents easy breaches. Once you type the new password and confirm it, follow the verification prompts. You may need a code sent to your trusted device. Make sure to update any password managers, and note that devices may ask you to re-enter the new password. You finish by saving the change and signing back into iCloud across all devices so services like Photos and Keychain continue syncing. If a device fails to accept the new password, make sure its software is updated, then re-enter credentials. If verification codes aren't arriving, use account recovery or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: if Keychain or Mail shows sync errors, toggle iCloud off and on for that service after signing back in to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.